What is up, guys? We are here in France. We just walked into the new area for Ratatouille. We are here for an annual pass holder preview of the new ride, so let's go check it out. So there's the creperie with a pretty long line over there. Bunch of merch over here. So you got the big Remy, you got the ears, you got a big old slice of cheese with a meal on it. Now you got the hat, which kind of lights up and shows Remy inside of it. You got a little chef set down there. Let's see, how does it work? There he is. It's a little hard to see during the day. Oh, he pops out the top. Look at that. Yeah, that's cool. Then, what else we got over here? A tiny little Remy with some cheese.
It's remote control with the cheese.
Oh, it's remote control with the cheese. Right, I do remember seeing that.
That's
nice.
Cute.
And this little, oh look, it's a little, they got the little mouse hoodie.
I think it's supposed to look like the ride vehicle.
Oh, like the ride vehicle. Yeah, you're right. Nice. Oh, look, he actually pops out. And there he goes back inside. And he dances around. That's awesome. I got the cheese glow necklace here. Remy's not at the bottom there, and okay. Oh, and down there they have the little ride vehicle that actually moves around. All right, walking on in. Oh, the fountain is great. All the little rats. Oh, we gotta get in line. Let's get in line. There's the Gusto sign up top. And, you know, we've seen this plenty of times from the Skyliner, but it's still pretty cool to be here. Oh, where's Fast Pass? Oh, yeah. That's interesting. They have a Fast Pass and they didn't just put it Lightning Pass. I guess that was a more recent decision. They didn't know at the time. Okay. Let's put that fountain a little bit closer. A Remy on top, all the little rats on the side. 20 minutes. Let's see. There's Skinner. Let's go inside. Here's some of that extended queue that is thankfully not packed right now. Check out this wallpaper. Nice little detail. I didn't even notice it until someone pointed it out. Okay, starting to change from the wallpaper into, no, that's not a sewer. Ooh. Okay. I love the theming in here. This is an awesome queue. Nice. Okay, like I'm looking at this and I'm like, that looks like a video screen. I'm waiting for him to come alive and do something. Nailed it.
Because tonight, Chef Remy is preparing one of his specialties, which I am certain you will enjoy. Remember, food goes out to those who love to cook, but not to those who are into it.
Almost got the whole thing. Alright, transitioning to another new area. Ooh. Okay. They got like, oh, it's the animations from the end of the movie. Remy's recipe for a grand adventure. Oh, okay, so it's actually the ride rules right there. Nice. Oh, here it is again. So we must be getting close. Let's see. Okay, they're starting to count people, so we must be coming up on it now. Almost. Ow. You got it? Okay, I got it. Pick up our glasses. Let's roll. I hit my head. All right, just about there. And Emil's giving us safety information. Oh, look at them. They're going backwards. There they go. This is actually great. They're able to load at 2 different areas and then send them off one at a time, I guess. Well, 3 at a time. That's pretty efficient. I mean, that's why it's only 20 minutes, but there's probably not that many people here right now. We're next. Getting excited. And this is a trackless ride for anyone that doesn't know, so it can basically go wherever it wants, and everyone can get different experiences. But it's actually like not just a bench, there is some separation between the seats. Oh, what I just missed? Okay. Here we go.
Venez, venez, venez. Suivez-moi, je vous prie. Chef Remy is waiting for you. This way. Qu'attendez-vous?
Oh wow.
Oh, je les ai appelés. Les invités pour le dîner.
Yes, but what to prepare? Hein? Pour le repas idéal. Coq au vin? Non. A simple omelet? Too simple.
What?
Mais oui, that's it! Poussez-vous de là! Vite, par ici! Cette nourriture est pour nos invités, pas pour vous. Hey guys, the food is for them, not you. Ew! Les machines must be perfect! L'écho est en salle! Et oui, what are you doing? Que manigancez-vous?
Got sprayed with water. Oh. Woo. Felt that heat.
Dépêchez-vous! Par ici! Go! Go! Come on! Remy's kitchen's just around the corner! Trois entrecôtes pour la douce. Une à point, une bleue et une saignante. Oui, petit chef. Il va aussi me
Oh, I can
falloir
smell the food.
4 ratatouilles pour la
Oh, God, absolutely sprayed.
Hey, thanks for coming, everyone. Vous serez toujours les bienvenus chez Remy. À bientôt et bon appétit. Et Mido. Au revoir.
Wherever you are, right this way. You are always welcome at Bistro Chez Remy. Au revoir.
Got a photo op with a Vespa and a motorcycle here at the end. And come right back out of the fountain. And they didn't scan us or anything, so I guess we could re-ride again. I don't know if we have the time. And here's looks like Ego's wine store over here. Chateau Ego. Yeah, it says wait time is only 15 minutes now. And it took us 20 minutes total with even riding the ride before, so We're just going again. Oh, we're not even... Oh, yeah. We go here and then we go into the line. Okay. Let's see if this is actually 15 minutes. Okay, so we came over here to the stroller area. I don't want to be near anyone and possibly spoil something as we talk about the ride. So, okay. So at this point, we ran it twice. Unfortunately, we got the same car. But despite this being a trackless ride, I don't think that really matters. Because, like, the big advantage of a trackless ride is you can get different experiences. You know, you can get like a different scene based on where your car goes, or it does something different or something like that. It didn't really seem like the case here. It seemed like they would experience. Yeah, like they would go other places, but you would still get the same scene.
Yeah.
It just like depends on like where you actually
Some just went off to the side at different parts than others.
Yeah. And then like we were all just in front of like a giant screen for a lot of it.
Yeah.
There were some fun parts like
with the broiler.
Like with the broiler, you know, with like the heat
face.
coming off, getting splashed in the face multiple times. It smells amazing at the end scene. Well, one of the two end scenes when we're like in the restaurant and they're cooking everything. They pump in smells and it smells incredible. So I really like that part. Overall, it's okay. It's not like blowing me away like Rise did or even Mickey Minis. And I'm just saying that because they're both trackless rides. I mean, Rise, you're getting like a different experience based on where you go, potentially a little bit. No, you are, because like in the AT&T room, and then also
depending what side of Kylo Ren you end up on.
Yeah, Kylo Ren, but then also like the droid comes at the one person, so you do get a different experience with Rise. And then Mickey and Minnie, you get a totally different experience depending on where you go. You see different scenes and everything like that. So both of those I'll definitely rank above Remy, and it's fine. It's a totally fine ride. There's nothing wrong with it, except maybe a little bit too heavy of a reliance on the video screens.
I definitely agree, but also I think because there's so much hype about it. You know, obviously this has been severely delayed because of everything.
Right.
So like it was supposed to open last year or like the year before.
Yeah.
And then it got pushed back to 2020, and then everything happened, and now we're in September.
Yeah, but that's it. Like that wasn't their plan to hype up like that. It was just going to be like another ride that's here.
But
And it's a ride that already exists over in Disneyland Paris. So it's not like it was a totally crazy new ride.
But my main feedback was like what you said. Like at one point, like when you first see the screen, I was like, "Are we gonna see me in front of the screen the whole entire time?" Like I was like, "I'm like, this is trackless, but am I gonna be moving? Like, what am I doing?" Like
it felt like a Universal ride.
The second time I think was a little better than the first time.
Yeah.
But after the first time, I was very confused, and
it feels very disjointed. Basically, I think it felt more like a Universal ride. But yeah, it definitely felt like a Universal ride. A little bit disjointed.
I don't think it jolts you as much as a Universal ride.
No, it doesn't. But also, I was just like confused because I'm like, oh, we're in like an alternative telling of the story.
It's a story. It's the movie.
It's the movie, but like kind of like an alternative telling of it.
Yeah.
Because like there were some things that didn't happen in the movie that like happened in the ride. So it's a weird kind of like retelling of it. So I don't know, it's fine. I'm glad that it's here.
Yeah, I'm glad that we got to do the preview because it means that I don't need to have to deal with getting a virtual line on the first or the second or the third.
So we'll be a virtual line.
I will wait my time to get a virtual queue for that because we got the ride at 2 times. So I'm in no rush.
But much more looking forward to like Guardians opening here because, and I'm glad this is here because that'll reduce wait times for Guardians hopefully. But it's fine, and I'm reserving final judgment until we do it maskless because I think with the mask and the 3D glasses, especially because the 3D glasses kind of fog up if you don't have it right, it makes you feel like you're not really in the ride. You know, you're kind of like distant, you're like behind a bunch of stuff, not really immersed in the ride. And I think that's a big part of it. So maybe we do it without masks in the future, we'll have a better opinion, or we get on a different car. Maybe it is a different experience on a different car.
Ours is based off of car number 3 on the right-hand side.
No, car number 2. We were row 3. Row 3, car 2.
Yeah. On the right-hand side.
On the right-hand side. But again, you know, it's fine. It's a totally fine ride.
And I welcome a new ride to Epcot because it needs it.
Exactly. So we welcome it, and that's basically it. So still very appreciative that we were able to come out here for the pass holder preview. We look forward to many more of those in the future for all different rides. And I think that's basically it. So until next time, you got anything else?
No, I think that was it.
All right, cool. So until next time, see you guys.
Bye.